friends, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you? I hope you will be good. My name is Kalpana Gangwar and I'm going to talk about how to be fluent. Every English learner wants to be fluent. How is it possible and what should we do to be fluent in English? Please watch this video till the end. I make sure this video would be helpful. And friends, if you like my effort, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Without further ado, let's get into video. I'm going to talk about how to be fluent, and I can't speak fluently and confidently. Every English learner wants to be confident and speak in English fluently. What should we do to be fluent? So first of all, we have to understand what's the reason when we can't speak fluently. So, and why do we speak in English fluently? So, and the reason is we do not give proper time to learn English. We want to learn this language easily. We want to learn this language without any effort. We try to apply tips and tricks to learn this language. Then how is it possible? When we want to be fluent in English, then we have to give proper time. Then we will be able to speak in English fluently. And friends, we go for a job, and where someone asks us, you speak fluent in English? Then when we can't, then we replied that person, I can't speak in English fluently. I am able to teach English, but I can't speak fluently. Then the lack of confidence, and then the lack of to be fluent, we do not get a good job, and then we have to compromise a simple job. So if you want to be a good job, if you want to learn English, and if you want to be fluent, then try to these steps. And I also follow these steps. Believe me, friends, if you follow these steps, it will work. So, and the step is listening. When you listen anything which was in English, then you try to imitate and try to speak. And if you choose any topic, and if you choose any speech for listening, then you don't understand that person, what speak that person, then you can listen again and again until you will not be able to understand. And believe me, if you try this again and again, then you will be able to understand and you will be able to speak. And when we listen anything, then our mind catch words, and some words goes in our mind, some words go in our mind. So first step is that, and second step is reading. When we read anything, any short story, any chapter, any book which was in English, any newspaper which was in English, then you try to read this thing loudly, and observe how to make sentence, how to, and what types of words use in this story, in this paragraph, in this whatever. So, and more, and third step is speaking. If you don't try, then you will not be able to speak. And so speaking is the most important. When you listen anything, when you read anything, try to speak and try to assimilate these thoughts in our daily life. We should try to assimilate these thoughts in our daily life, and these steps will help to be fluent and to be confident. So that's all, and thanks for watching. Take care.